Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Can a car move you as you move through the world? That was the inspiration for Continental. Continental was designed to give you style, comfort, and a wealth of amenities. Let's explore how it comes to life in one extraordinary vehicle. The Continental's elegant style says you've arrived without saying a word. The signature Lincoln grille makes a statement, subtly. Its sculpted contours confer a sense of harmony and flow. The innovative E-latch door handles maintain that continuity by seamlessly integrating into the lines of the vehicle. When you approach, Continental senses your presence and lights the way to welcome you in. The warm invitation continues with doors that gently open at the touch of a button and softly close behind you. Inside the cabin, Continental is a true personal sanctuary. Every material was carefully selected, from the bridge of weir leather seats to the grain of the exotic wood inlays, all cut from the same piece of wood for a perfect match. Luxurious comfort fits you like a fine suit. When you sit in the Continental's available perfect position seats, you truly understand what this means. The seats move and adapt in every direction to cater perfectly to your form. Massaging, heating, and cooling, they support and rejuvenate you, so you can stay cool, calm, and focused. The Continental experience continues with a smooth and powerful drive. Behind the wheel, Continental exhilarates with its responsive, available 400 horsepower engine. Continental gives you a suite of technologies designed to ensure a fluid ride and a greater connection with the road, like drive modes to tune the suspension to the conditions and your mood, and dynamic torque vectoring for greater stability when cornering. When you're leaning into every curve, you need to keep your eyes on the road. That's why Continental offers you available head-up display to see your speed, the time, cruise control details, and more directly ahead. When you're cruising at top speed, the laminated glass and sound systems thoughtfully mute the hum of the engine for a whisper-quiet drive. Even the tires are engineered to minimize road noise. This ensures you can appreciate Continental's immersive, available 19-speaker Revel Ultima audio system. Specially crafted for the Continental's interior, it brings you a concert-like experience in your car. With these touches and more, Continental gives you a drive to remember, and one you'll want to endlessly repeat. Continental was crafted to give you thoughtful amenities and services. In the rear seat, you enjoy a wealth of refinements at your fingertips. Available massaging, heating and cooling reclining seats, audio controls, shade, and more. Its twin-panel moonroof fills the interior with light, enhancing the expansive feel of the cabin for a whole new perspective on the world. Lincoln also saves you precious time with personal services like complimentary pickup and delivery. When your Lincoln needs service, we'll drop off a loaner vehicle and take yours in, then bring it back washed and ready for the road ahead. Comfort, craftsmanship, and effortless style. That's Continental.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.